and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome me tonight. Welcome me. As you all requested, this is your long-awaited makeup tutorial. Got my little duffel bag. It's not a duffel bag, but you know, I'm a duffel bag boy. I'm kidding. All right, so I'm gonna go through all of the products that I use one by one. So first, you always wanna start with skincare. Healthy skin. I've already exfoliated, washed my face, and I did my basic moisturizer. So the first thing I do is I go for sunscreen. Everybody, no matter your race, shade, religion, you need to wear sunscreen. So I usually buy the Black Girl sunscreen. Okay, whatever. But yes, it's called the Black Girl sunscreen. It's got SPF 30. It's infused with avocado and jojoba, jojoba. I really don't know how we're saying this. So you just need a little pea size. It spreads, y'all. It spreads, and then you just, oh yeah. Get all the crevices. Yeah. Your neck too. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. I should be drinking water. If your lips are dry, it's because you're dehydrated. In this case, I have dry lips because I don't moisturize them often enough, and I'm dehydrated. So, as you can see, your face is now moisturized. The sunscreen gives it a glow. Like, do you see the glow that is here? Wipe the corners of your mouth. Oh, I think mine just look like that naturally. Okay, cool. Next, after you've done your sunscreen, you wanna start off with your base. I always start off, I just go straight to, oh, by the way, I use sunscreen as a primer. You don't need, I mean, in my opinion, don't drag me, but you don't need an additional primer. In my experience, it just adds a lot of oil or jelly or some extra stuff to your face, and it becomes heavy, and then, you know, makeup settles into like fine lines, and you don't want all that. So I guess the primer is supposed to help with that. I don't really care. All right, so the next thing I do is I go straight to my base, which is my foundation. And I use the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi. This also has sunscreen SPF 20 in it. It's drugstore makeup. I've been using it for the last, I wanna say since 2015. So it's almost been 10 years. And I just do like a little bit because it also spreads once you have your sunscreen on. You just boop, boop. So you wanna start with your forehead, but you really can just move around however you feel like it. I'm taking my time for you guys. Usually I'd be done in 6.5 minutes, max. Cause I love a messy makeup look. All right, and then you wanna do the bottom of your face, pea size. I know some of you have like beauty marks or little things that you don't want to cover on your face. So just try to go around them. And you can also emphasize them using your eyeliner pen. All right, can you see my skin? So we've got, you know, just like basic base. Yes, that's it. Next, what I like to do is, I think what people refer to as contouring. And I swear by this concealer. This is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I've been using it since she launched her line, and it just works so well for me. It's not oily, it's not cakey, it's simple. So this is what I do with concealer, and this is what contributes to the natural look. I just go around my eyes. I know they say don't do this, but like, I do this. Then I do like this. Okay. And just go around the eyebrows just to give it that illuminescence. Illuminescence? Don't judge me. English is like one of the 4 languages I speak. Okay, so this is it for concealer. Like, this is it. You know, just like let it settle a little. Yes. Then you take your tiny brush. I got these brushes from, I don't know, probably TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but they're called, it says Eco Tools. Eco Tools. Yo, this camera sucks. All right, so you just want to start by dabbing, dabbing, dabbing. I like to actually dab a little bit of my eyelid because sometimes the difference in shade becomes most apparent right there at your eyelid line. So I dab and I go around. If you want to have like the makeup eye, like that redness, that natural redness, you don't have to put concealer in that area, but I do. So then you go to the other side and you just do a little bit of the eyelid, just a little bit, just enough. So you can start to see how there's a difference in like one portion of my face, this middle section, and my nose. Don't worry, we're getting there. Trust the process. But good, very good. And you can just do like a little bit around the eyes if you want, but not too much. Then you wanna just like a little bit. I think you wanna use the big brush for this part actually, and then just like boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Just spread what is already there. Spread, spread, spread them. Spread, spread, spread. What is that? Huh. Well, anyways, I told you guys I'm not an expert, so. I don't know what's going on here. Next. So it's the Black Radiance Beauty True Complexion Contour Palette. I get this from CVS typically. Yeah, I've been using this for a few years too, and it's really nice. I use the medium to dark. It's not too expensive. And, okay, this is a little dirty, don't judge me, but on the inside of it, it even gives you instructions for like how to use each of the colors. So if you need support with that, this is very helpful. And I will link all of these products in the comments, even though they aren't sponsoring me. So I take a little bit of this. Wow, I'm running out. As you can see, that's the main one that I use. Start to go around to just sculpt your face. Sculpt your face. Sculpt, sculpt, sculpt. I don't have any liquid blush today, and usually I use lipstick for that. But because I don't have any and I ran out of the lipstick, we're just gonna not use liquid blush today. So you just want to go around your face and be sure to leave like this middle portion with minimal powder. Still want to dab it so you don't look like a ghost, but like I do it very minimally because it adds like an extra shine to your face. Like it makes your face just like come alive, you know? I'm also like not able to see what I'm doing. I'm trusting and just like feeling it out the way I have in the past. So you just go around, around, around. Very good. All right, so that should be enough. Yeah, and then if you want to add some highlighter, you can. I don't really do that until the end-ish. Just like a little bit right there. I don't even know if it's noticeable. Okay. Little bit of highlighter. Ooh, ooh. Put some there. There. Okay. So then, everyone's favorite part, edges. No, I'm kidding, not edges. Eyebrows. So I just use like beauty supply store, $1 micro brow defining pencil. Yeah, so I have two because one has a really good brush and one is just like a really dull pencil. So I press it a little bit because I'm too lazy to sharpen it. Yeah, judge me, I don't care. All right, so literally, you're going for a natural look. You just need basic color them in eyebrows, okay? Remember, the goal here is to look like you're not wearing makeup, although you did like a full face kind of. But like, we're not doing the whole banana powder drama. We're just not doing all that. And if you want, you can like elongate your eyebrows. Okay, I definitely did that one too dark. When that happens, literally, just take some off. Ta-da. Yes, then eyebrow pencil. I like to brush my eyebrows upward. Gives you more of that like model look. And I don't know if everyone can see like well what I'm doing, the details super well, but all right. So this is where we are. And then I put a little bit of like powder on my eyebrows so they don't look super dark compared to my hair. Okay, so this is where we are, right? We're almost done. This is my favorite portion of the evening. So in a previous video, I showed you all the Big by Definition Sephora mascara. It's just the Sephora collection mascara. And I just put a little bit on each lid. And if you're struggling with getting those like inner hairs, you can just like slightly pull your eyebrow to the side, and then that should get you easy access. And if you rub off your makeup, you can just dab a little more. But yeah, this mascara is like not as expensive as the other ones. It was probably like 11 bucks, and it gets the job done, you know? You can already see the difference between one eye and the other. And just do the bottom. Good enough. Supposed to be natural. And folks, like, feel free to use lipstick to, you know, just enhance the look. Give yourself a pop of color. I like a good nude lip, but lately I've really just been feeling the lip gloss vibe, like just the plain lip gloss. I love that. I will not be doing a lipstick today or a nude lip, but you can. All right, so do a little more. I'll put some more right there. That definitely got in my eye. Okay. And we're almost done. Next, what I like to do is put my lip gloss on. I get this from CVS as well. It's called Super Lustrous The Gloss. It's by Revlon. I think it's like, what, $11, but listen, it's good. It runs out fast though, but it's really good. It's not too sticky. Like, you don't see it. You don't even see it, you know. I hate lip glosses where you put them on and then it's like, I hate that. This is like simple. You can lay it on thick and it's not gonna get too sticky or start like creasing in between your lips and white stuff. Yeah, I don't get that. So, and then if you want, you can add a little more like of the contour aspect of the contour at the end, just to give yourself more shape. I don't do that because, like, again, the goal is to look like you're not wearing makeup, but you can literally just like softly right where your jaw is. Glub glub. Okay, you just like very good. And then the last thing I do, it's kind of like a setting spray for me. but I don't know if everyone else will use it as a setting spray. I don't know if it even sets. The Mario Badescu Skincare Rosewater. I don't know if you can like see it, sir. Yes, this thing right here. I love the smell. It's got rosewater, aloe, herbs. It's for all skin types, and it's $5 at Sephora. Very nice. I just like to breathe it in. I just do a few spritz, and then that is it for my skincare makeup tutorial. This is the official product. I'm gonna like zoom out a little so you all can see what I would look like from a distance. Don't look at my hair. We're not focusing on that right now. Gang gang. Yes, so that is it for this tutorial, folks. Let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments or if you plan on purchasing any of these products, and I'll see you next time.